Hey guys, Chef Sahera here. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious chicken cutlet parmesan. This dish is easy to make and you can make it in the comfort of your home. So let's get into it. But before we get into it, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Now let's get into this chicken cutlet parmesan. Here I'm starting with some chicken cutlets. You want a thin sliced cutlet. You can either ask the butcher to cut it for you or you can slice it lengthwise and cut it in half. And again, we want it thin, so that's why I'm taking my rolling pin and I'm just gonna bang out my chicken cutlets just to make it a little thinner. I know I have a mallet, but I couldn't find it, so if you don't have a mallet, just use something sturdy. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use like a can of beans or something heavy to pound. I'm just seasoning my cutlets now with some salt. I'm actually using some kosher salt, some salt and some garlic powder and some black pepper. You want to be sure to season both sides. Now I'm going to create my dredging station. So in one pan I have some flour, and I'm going to season up my flour with the same seasonings, the salt, the pepper, and the garlic powder. I have 2 eggs. I'm just going to beat that because I'm going to dredge my chicken. Once I put it in the flour, I'm going to put it in the eggs. And now I'm also using some breadcrumbs. I'm actually using some panko breadcrumbs as well as some regular breadcrumbs. And then I'm just going to combine the breadcrumbs and I'm going to add a little bit of my Parmesan cheese to my breadcrumbs. So now I'm going to put my chicken in my flour, make sure it's coated nicely. I'm then going to put it into my eggs. And the key to this, to get a nice crust, so the crust will stay on, is to let that breading sit for about a half an hour. Once we put the cutlet in the breadcrumb, you want to make sure it's well covered. Just want to make sure, see, I'm just pressing that breadcrumbs on there. I'm just pressing it in there so I get a really nice coating. Once I have finished coating all of my cutlets, I'm just going to put that in the refrigerator and let that sit for about 30 minutes. Okay, now I'm starting to make my marinara sauce. You can always buy a store-bought one, but I'm just going to make it from scratch. So I start by sauteing my onions in a little bit of olive oil. Then I'm going to add my garlic. Let that cook for a few seconds. Keep in mind, once you add that garlic, you don't want to cook that too long, just until it's fragrant. And then I add some red pepper flakes. Then I'm also adding some fresh basil to it. And I'll just stir that together for a few seconds. And then I'm gonna come and add a little bit of tomato paste. So I'm adding the tomato paste because tomato paste actually thickens up your sauce a little bit. So if I just come in with the crushed tomatoes, like I'm doing now, it'll be a little bit too loose. So I added a little bit of water to my can of crushed tomatoes. And I pour that in. And now I'm just coming in with some seasoning. I'm adding some, if you don't have Italian seasoning, just a little bit of garlic, some oregano. I'm also adding a little bit of sugar as well as a little bit of ketchup. And of course, you want to add some salt and pepper to taste. And I'll let that cook down. You want to be sure to taste it. And as I am happy with my taste, I'm going to go ahead and top it with a little more fresh basil. Now I'm ready to cook my cutlets. So now I'm putting some olive oil in my pan, just enough to cover the bottom. We're not deep frying these. You want them to be nice and golden brown on both sides. Because I have 4 pieces, I have to cook these in batches. So once I take out my 2 cutlets, I'm gonna go ahead and fry up the other 2 cutlets. And as I take them out, I'm just gonna let them drain on some paper towels. So now it's time for us to put our dish together. So I'm first gonna start by adding some of that sauce to the bottom of my dish. And then I'm gonna place my cutlets in the dish right on top of the sauce. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of my Parmesan cheese. And then I'm gonna come and put my sauce on top. And then I'm coming with a generous amount of my mozzarella cheese. Here I'm using a store-bought mozzarella cheese. But for best results, if you get a fresh mozzarella, that works best, in my opinion. So you want to stick your chicken in the oven uncovered in a preheated oven of 425 for about 15 minutes. You definitely want to keep an eye on it. And you just want to look until that cheese starts to melt nicely and the sauce is bubbling. And I'm just sprinkling a little bit of the parsley on top. And that's it, our chicken cutlet parmesan. I like to serve this with some spaghetti or any kind of pasta. I'm just grating some of my Romano cheese. I definitely like the Romano cheese with my spaghetti. Easy chicken cutlet parmesan. It's a few steps, but it's quick. It's easier than you think. If you have any questions about how to make this chicken cutlet parmesan, let me know in the comments. As always, guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out when I upload another delicious video. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.